Hello everybody, Master G here with Mr. Durantis. Let's work on our middle reinforced chop or Choong Soo Do Maki.
Choong Soo Do Maki, sir.
Once more, Choong
Soo
Soo Do
Do
Maki.
Maki, sir.
Very good. Reinforced middle chop. So we're going to load for this chop much like we did our reinforced block, but our hands are open. So I say put the hand on the table, put the chopping the blocking hand on top. So the one palm is up, one palm is down. Very good. He's going to step out again, always done in a fighting set. He's going to step out in a fighting set. He's going to bring out his regular knife block, and then he's going to reinforce it with his knife, with his middle reinforcement here. I call this block the sibling, hold the snack. Block the sibling, hold the snack. The fingertips, again, level with the eyes, elbow bent, wrist straight. Once more on the other side, load, step, and block. Very good. And reset, once more on the pad. Ready, load, and height, height. Good. And that is our, whoops, and reset. That is our middle reinforced chop or Choong Soo Do Maki in Korean. Practice what you learned, make it rock.